Welcome back, family, friends, and fans. It's Karma Lately. Today I'm going to be doing a flip through of a book that was just purchased. This is a scrapbook my friend Cami ordered. It is Italy themed. It is lined with canvas. We're going to get right into the book. Metal corners and a tag in the front. The tag is held with a canvas pocket, and underneath the pocket is another tag that I sewed on my Brother XR3340 sewing machine. And I'll talk about the front and the back cover later. Let's just get right into the book. And so here's another tag that I sewed with my sewing machine. As she opens the tag, right underneath there's a window that it actually reminds us of our hotel that we stood in Rome. At the bottom there's another pocket made with a whole bunch of stamps from Italy, and that's a cute little flower that I punched out with a book page and I sewed. On this other side, that's the map that we always used in Rome. We each had a map, and this is a tag that I made with a book page and cardstock. Sewed it also on my sewing machine, and she can just rest cards, ephemera, pictures right on that slot. And there's another little envelope pocket. So the pages are going to be very, very simple. I actually was feeling to see if that was a pocket page, but it wasn't. Some of the pages are pocket pages. This is, so each page is lined with canvas just to protect the edges a little bit. That is some sheet music. Cami does love music. And here is a newspaper clipping from Italy. And all of the printouts that I used, there you see a map and another little card with stamps. All of the ephemera and images that I use are from the public domain. I'm free to use them for personal and commercial use. I would never infringe on another artist's work. So very important, something that I highly respect is the work and labor of another fellow artist. So here are some more cards, and that is Castle Sant'Angelo and the bridge that leads to it. Our hotel was 5 minutes away from here, and we were always walking across this bridge, always. And sometimes a couple of times a day. And so that I knew she would appreciate that. And then right there she'll find happiness blooms from within right underneath the cards. So nice little surprises. Here's another cute little vintage card that I found in the public domain, and this opens and closes with Velcro. So, and this scrapbook is obviously not designed for a kid. It is delicate, but at the same time, it's sturdy. That is the view from our rooftop of our hotel. We were just 5 minutes away from Vatican City, and St. Peter's Dome is visible from probably every location we stood at in that area. So, and also her color was, her favorite color was like pink. In terms of like pastel colors, her favorite color would be pink. Her favorite color is actually red, but she wanted this book to be more like light colors and pastels. That is a curtain made from a book page, a cute little journaling card with a bird. That pocket is actually a coaster that I've used in previous projects. I have a whole bunch of those coasters. And here's some more vintage cards. I like these cards a lot. So there you can see just very simple pages, not very complex. I have done some complex scrapbooks, and I'll do some flip throughs of those. That is Il Girasole. That is the Il Girasole. That is the hotel that we stood at when we were in Capri, and my favorite tree. And so there you see, it's just very simple. She can add pictures or switch it up, take out all those tags, put them somewhere else, whatever she wants to do. There's a lot of freedom to this. Here's another page with simplicity and femininity. These are cascading photo mats, which she can, underneath each mat, she can journal or add another photo or do whatever she likes. And then I left this all free so that she can feel free to add pictures or journal on there. And here, this is another pocket page with a huge journaling card, and on the bottom a little cute tag where she can also rest more ephemera or pictures or whatever she would like, and then just journal right there. So, and plus, whenever there's a pocket page, you know that you can store things that maybe you want to keep private, or just like put pictures in there and then you'll add them into the book later. On this side, this is an envelope that I cut and sewed on my sewing machine, added a little button. There's a pretty flower, and then just a whole bunch of mats. These cards, I actually found at a Duane Reade, just vintage playing cards. Bought them for like $4.99. And there she has the Queen of Diamonds. And I want to show you guys these mats. Here's a cute traveling card from Capri. That's a punch that I made on the page and then added a book page. And that's Capri. There's always I like for her to find surprises behind each thing. So here's like some more cute ephemera. And she can put into that Capri image. We really did love Capri a lot. There's a beautiful flower made of paper. And I loved including the flowers. I didn't want to make it too bulky, so I felt like the paper flowers kept everything simple and flat. And I sewed them with my sewing machine. So it's pretty easy. And here's another pocket page. Now this envelope made from a map was not distressed properly, but I assure you that when she received it, it was, because I noticed it later. So I know she's going to be looking at her book now and checking to see if it is distressed. Don't worry, it is distressed. Here's another cute card that I made with, I sewed with my sewing machine. I really like that stitch. It's stitch 22 for the Brother XR3340 if you have it. And here is another public domain vintage card. This is Capri, and it kind of looks just like that right now. That's Capri, the port in Capri. And that's a cute little bird cage with a tag in it. Here on this side is a ripped page and a tag and a card. And she can do whatever she likes. This book is like a little, it's like vintage meets feminine meets Italy. Here's another tag I made and another card I found on the public domain. And here's just a tag that I made with another tag. Here's a cute traveling mat with different countries. I thought it was really cute. Oh, I love. So this opens and closes with the Velcro, and I love this Italian vintage card. Here's another punch flower that I made with paper and sewed on my machine. And look at that Italian vintage card. Absolutely love it. Ugh. So simple, simple, simple. And I apologize, there is a pocket in this page and I did not go through it. So the page itself is a pocket. It's just another tag. There's an envelope and another queen because she is a queen. So simple, simple, simple. Here is some more imagery that I thought she would appreciate. I wish those lines were not on the image, but like I told her, if she feels like these cards, some work better on other pages, you know, feel free to move them around, you know, put them wherever you want. I just didn't want to do too much with this particular page because it's just so beautiful, and I do that sometimes. Here's another traveling card, and it says Brazil, and it's funny because when we were in Brazil, when we were in Italy, everyone thought we were Brazilian. They also thought she was French, but we mostly got Brazilian. It was funny. I only got Brazilian, which I thought was hilarious. I was like, oh, we gotta come to Italy more often, I see. Anyways, there's some tags on this side. There's some like portfolio pockets over here. I just wanted it to be nice and clean, and so it's a nice, interesting page. It opens and closes with Velcro. And here, this page just gave me like Capri vibes, like the waves and the clear water. The water in Capri was so clear. I made that this clock with, I attached it with a brad. I gave her the King of Hearts and a flower. King, obviously. Every queen needs a king. And this page on the right, I'm sorry, I couldn't cover it. I'm sorry, I distressed it a little, but I could not cover it. It was just too beautiful. And I made this bookmark on my sewing machine. That was a lot of fun. And this is the end of the book. This was a jewelry bag that I purchased some jewelry for my daughters and recycled the bag so she can use it in her travels for whatever she likes, ephemera, jewelry, whatever she likes. These colors are all hand mixed except for the white, and this is what Rome inspired in me. These are the colors that made me feel like I was in Rome. And and as you can see, there's a big gap in the front, and there's also a gap in the back, and that's just to make room for any pictures or ephemera that she would like to add to it. So guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this. There's going to be some more flip throughs. I am trying to put up my store. That'll be coming up soon with kits and different types of journals and scrapbooks. I'm also working on my Patreon account. It is live, it's active, but I'm just working out some kinks with that. And just hoping that you guys are enjoying these videos. It would be nice if you commented, let me know what you're thinking, share them, and please feel free to challenge me. I love a great challenge. Like, challenge me to anything artistic and I will give it a shot. I'm not afraid to fail or succeed. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.